Hello everyone, this is Sumant Nara. Today I would like to share my life learnings so far I have come across in my life journey. Uh, if you like to become great in your life, when you're supposed to say something about your goals to others, by the time most of the people are going to say something like no, you cannot do this, and they're going to say something like that. They're going to discourage you. But a few years back I came across this situation uh, when I uh, when I told my all my goals and dreams to some persons. By that time, uh, they used to look at me and uh, laughing at me. By the time, um, I just uh, thought something like, no matter I have my goals, I'm going to accomplish all those things. And I think likewise. Why? Because if you can believe in yourself, no matter, even if someone is going to laughing at you by seeing you, no matter, don't bother about those persons and straight away attack your goals. I come to know that what I believe, what I am believing, I am going to achieve all my goals. And no matter what other by the time I come to know that, no matter what the other people are going to think about what I would like to do, I'm going to do it. I'm going to achieve all my dreams into reality. By the time I felt like something like that. And if someone is going to, by the time I got so many negative feedback, negative comments from surrounding people. But even though I didn't bother, by the time I simply look at them and give a gentle smile. No matter, no matter, whatever they're going to say, don't worry. By the time I told to myself, I told to myself, no, no, no one is going to, no one is going to even though if no one is going to support you during your life, during your journey towards achieving your goals, if you can believe yourself, if you can attack your goals, if you can attack your goals on daily basis. And if I come to know that I come to know that I can achieve whatever I wish for. What don't I come to know that, don't bother about the society, what society is going to think about. You have I come to know that I have only one life, and whatever I wish for, I'm going to do it. I'm going to achieve it, no matter, even though someone is going to laugh at me. I don't bother about them. And I'm going to do the things what I wish for. By the time I told to myself, so that I would like to become the great in your life. Don't think about what society is going to think about you, and what the other people are going to give certain opinions about your goals. Don't think about this. Don't think about it, and believe yourself. I come to know that believe yourself, attack your goals. Your goals are going to become reality, and you are going to become wonderful or miracle person for your life, and you are going to reach your destiny. Yes, thank you so much, guys.